All right, so we want to talk about, we're talking about gardening, we're talking about fall things, taxes, putting us in the mix of taxes.
Well,
Eric Brotman joins us and said we really do need to think about it right now.
I certainly don't have a green thumb, so let's talk about
Me either.
Let's talk about tax. Now's the time. People think of taxes on April 15th, but the fact is most of the decisions you have to be made by December 31.
Oh,
so
absolutely.
We have 3 months.
All right, so what's the first thing we need to do?
First thing is, you may have noticed the stock market and other markets have not been behaving the way we might like.
Yep.
So that creates a lot of opportunities. It creates opportunities to rebalance portfolios. It creates opportunities to take tax losses.
So count your losses, you say, right?
Yeah, well, a tax loss sounds like something ominous, but frankly, it can help you on your tax return.
This time of year. All right, and take a look at your health savings account, which is fully funded, correct?
Fund them. Fund your health savings account between now and December 31st and try not to use it for health expenses. If you have the luxury of either A, not needing a lot of money for health expenses this year, or B, having other resources, use them because the health savings account can be invested long term with no future taxation so long as you use the money for health care. And it might be 10 or 20 years down the road that you need it.
You really like those, the HSAs.
I think they are a fortuitous tax accident. I think it's become truly, I think it's become a playground where folks can put money away that's never taxed again. And what an amazing opportunity.
What a way to
Don't tell anybody.
We won't tell anyone.
Okay,
all right, and this is a great idea to prepay your January mortgage.
Sure. Anytime you can take any kind of deductions early, whether it's mortgage deductions or other things, you ought to do it. Now's the time.
And now's the time to make charitable gifts.
It is. If you're, whether it's cleaning out your closets and going to one of the various thrift shops, or whether it's making cash donations to your favorite religious organization or school or other charitable organization, now's the time. You want to try and time your charitable deductions, I think, so that if you make gifts every year, make them every other year from a tax standpoint. Most charities run July 1 to June 30, so you can actually double up every other year and have a really favorable tax return every other year.
Oh, that's interesting. And take pictures, too, of things that you donate in case somebody comes and asks what you donated.
If you donate something, if you donate one of your outfits and you say, yep, that was $3,000,
nice,
there
Eric.
could be some questions about it. So you want to make sure you have photos to prove that.
Okay. And start thinking about next year's budget.
Well, next year, in terms of what you're going to be withholding, if you have some opportunities to meet with your CPA between now and the end of the year, talk about what your exemptions you're going to claim next year. You don't want a big refund in April. I know it sounds like fun, but a big refund, you've made an interest-free loan to the government for what could be as much as 15 months. You wouldn't make that loan to anybody else. Why? To the government.
Well said. All right, Eric, thanks for coming. You got big fall plans today?
Not today. I have plans to watch football all day.
Of course. All right, thanks for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
All right, and don't go away. We'll be right back with more news.